When you use VBA to create instances of objects in Excel or other Office programs, the program keeps those instances in memory until your code finishes running or you delete the objects deliberately. Excel handles object cleanup pretty well, but you can manage your computer's memory effectively by getting rid of objects you no longer need. In this movie, I will show you how to delete instances of objects in your collections. My sample file is chapter 0105, and you can find it in the chapter 1 folder of the exercise files collection. We're working exclusively in VBA in this movie, so there's nothing in the worksheet. I'll press Alt F11 to move to the Visual Basic Editor. And here, I'm displaying the SimTest subroutine in the Module 1 code module. The code in this module defines two object variables. Object C is customer, and customers as a collection of the C customers that we had above. And then it creates a new collection. Within the for next loop that follows, you'll see that the code creates two customers. First, it creates a new customer, assigns it to object C, and then adds that variable to the customers collection and assigns customer ID, which is the same as the counter variable value, to that customer. So the first customer will get value 1, the second will get value 2. Below the comment, you'll see that the code prints out the customer ID for every customer in the customers collection. All that's fine, but when the program stops running, there is a chance, if object cleanup doesn't work properly, that the two customers would still be left in memory. To make sure that doesn't happen, you can set those values to nothing. So I will click next to the next object C statement at the bottom of the subroutine, press enter twice, and I'll type set customers equal nothing. This statement wipes out the customers collection, so none of the objects it was working with are still in memory. Modern computers are very powerful and have a lot of menu, so setting object variables to nothing isn't as important as it used to be. However, if you create larger projects that use a lot of memory in other programming languages, then similar techniques will definitely come in handy to free up resources in your computer.